Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video here I'm gonna talk about what are some mistakes that you're making if you're replacing lots of these tubes, because every month I get a message from you guys. Someone is throwing in too many tubes in there, and definitely you're making some kind of mistakes. Let's get into this video right now. So the first thing that the first mistake that you guys are making, and if you're watching this video, chances are you're not confident with replacing your inner tube. So you're probably throwing in very expensive tube in there. What I would do if I was you, look, this one what I found in my local shop. You see here, so close to my local bike shop. I would get a cheaper tube and try to install it, rather than spending $20 on a Continental, and then be mad because you blew a tube and now you wasted $20. Okay, so mistake number one, start with the cheaper tube right off the bat. Okay, now this is another one. When you're replacing your tire over here, you want to make sure, when you're replacing the tube, make sure that you come inside, open the tire, the outer tire, and vacuum all the debris. In a lot of cases, I would see a person would they would install a brand new tube in there, but guess what? They didn't scoop up all the debris that's inside here. And after an hour, I would just hear, psst. Guess what? The tube got punctured, and guess what? Now he just wasted 10-15 minutes of his work, and he wasted a brand new tube. So again, clean up inside all the time. Okay, so that brings us to the point number 3. Now, if you're using these over here to kind of stick the outer tire inside, be very careful. This is a useful tool. However, I mainly use this to open up the tire. When I install the tube inside, I kind of just push over like this, and I close the tire. I put it back in by kind of strangling it, by kind of rolling it over the rim, so it kind of pops in there. By using this thing over here, your chances of popping the tube are much higher. So you see, we already have 3 problems over there. Now, finally, when you manage to install the brand new tube in there, guess what? A lot of you guys are probably not putting in the proper PSI pressure. Now, if you look over here, this is how much you should be. So I would go at least 100 PSI. But this Continental tire here, it's showing that 120 is recommended here. So minimum 100 PSI is how much you need. So like I said, you have all these 4 steps here that you need to keep an eye on, because you can easily puncture the tube and you're going to be replacing. So I'm going to try to link a description, a few nice Continental tubes in there, but at the same time, I'm going to put a cheaper choice for you guys that don't have the confidence, and that you can buy one of these cheaper ones or get it from your local shop and try practicing. And then the last option, if you really wasted 2-3 tubes and cannot get this done properly, take off the rim, take it to your bike shop. They're gonna explain it to you what you're doing wrong, and that way you can learn and prevent it from the next time. Hopefully you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.